Use this one. I use this variable called gap height is equal to mat.random, and inside the mat.random function I use this one. I use the maximum function and also minimum function. So it is coming randomly at the end that how much gap I'm going to have in between them. And the next one is the pipe spawning, which is in here. Pipe spawning is in here. It is not coming. I mean that manually. It is coming randomly now. I use that self.timer is equal to self.timer plus mat.random, a function for 100 into dt. Delta times is coming that is coming in delta times, and the pipe spawning between them is coming in a random way. Minimum and then method random again. So I am just using method random to have it in randomly. So it is no with any constant time. And the next one is the metal state, like I did it in here, is that in here. So first of all, I used a condition like if the self dot score is equal to zero, if the player's score is zero, that means that I am just score has to be one. That means that if you are having less than one, you are not going to have any medal. So you will have to just press enter and start playing again. Else if there is another condition that I used in here. So else if your score is greater than equal one and self dot score is less than equal one, then you are just going to have a bronze medal. And in here I am just going to render it onto the screen, and this is how it is going. And then I used another condition is that if self dot else if self dot score is greater than equal 11 and self dot score is less than equal 20, then you are going to have a silver medal. So I'm just writing down in here is that I'm just going to show to the player that hey, you have obtained a silver medal. Else if this self.score is greater than 1121, that means that you are going to have gold medal. So this was the medal listed that I used in here. And the next one is the post feature, in the hardest one I believe in this project. So the post feature, I have I have done this in here. If the player is just going to press the P button and the music is going to be paused. In the same time, a sound will be played, which is the pause sound. I have set it in here. And all kinds of activities like parts and pipes will be stopped for a moment. And I'm just going to show the player that enter to start. And this is how it is going to be finished. And then to play in here. And then sound of music will start playing, and the ground background will start moving again, and to show it to the rendering I have used this one. So this is how the post feature is going to work. So right now I'm just going to take you uh, to the game. I'm just going to press any key in here, and the game start will be in a play mode. If I'm just going to press enter, it will start countdown. So this was my project, and this was my project for FlappyBird, the CS50G Lecture 1, Week 1, and Project 1. Thank you very much.